Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we have a Masterbuilt portable propane smoker that we're going to unbox, set up, and try out. Walmart had this little beauty on sale for $50, so we decided what the heck. You can see some of the features here on the box. We'll talk about some of these features throughout the video. After we try this thing out, we'll let you know if it was worth the 50 bucks. So if the box wasn't any indication already, you can see that this thing is pretty small. It's also pretty light and has these handles on each side for easy transportation. This grill is small enough to fit in the trunk of the car. There are two ways to control the temperature on this smoker: the gas regulator, which is compatible with camping propane tanks, and the air damper. With this portability, you're sacrificing cooking space, and lots of it. You could probably fit a couple of racks of ribs in here if you cut them in half, or a whole chicken if you take out the top rack. We're going camping, so we're going to try this thing out. We've got the water bucket filled and the wood chip filled with hickory chips. Now we're going to set the regulator and ignite the burner. Just like any other grill, you need to season the grill before using it. And look at that, this thing actually puts out a decent amount of smoke. We're keeping it pretty basic with some sausages and corn on the cob for our first cook. Here's our verdict. This smoker from Masterbuilt is actually a steal at $50. We'll need to get a little creative with what we can cook on here, but we look forward to taking it on other camping trips. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out our other content as well. If you like what you see, leave us a comment and hit the subscribe button.